back to my channel. My name is Jalen. Welcome if you are new. So today I wanted to talk about tooth identification. This was something that I really struggled with in the very beginning. The first thing I would do is highly recommend getting one of these guys. You can get them off Amazon. For me, it really helped because I struggled with remembering the fact that my right is the patient's left and my left is the patient's right. That is like, once you get that under your belt, you're halfway through, the struggle. After that, knowing some landing points. So obviously there's a bunch of teeth in the mouth, and when you're first getting started, everything looks the same. You try to find things that look different to help you remember what's what, but finding some landing points was super helpful for me. So the first ones that I remembered were 8 and 9, 24 and 25. So 8 and 9 are your top two middle teeth, and 24 and 25 are your bottom two middle teeth. So in this guy, we have 8 and 9, 24 and 25. So I learned that, I was pretty excited, but then it wasn't enough. There's still so much room for error, and I was still having trouble finding teeth. So after that, I found first molars. Once you find your first molars and those two middle teeth, top and bottom, you're pretty much set and you can kind of go anywhere in the mouth. With your first molars, you have 3, 14, 19, and 30. Like I said, once you kind of get those figured out, you're pretty much good. So on this guy, we have 3, 14, 19, and 30. This guy doesn't have his third molars in, totally fine. But yes, that helped out a bunch. So something else that I struggled with was hearing, 6-year molars, 12-year molars, and I would just be like, what are those? What do those look like? So something to remember is that your 6-year molars, your 7-year molars are your first-year molars, or your first molars. So you get your first molars between the ages of 6 and 7, 6-year molars. Your 12-year molars come between the ages of 12 and 13, which are your second molars. So you get them between the ages of 12 and 13. And then you get your 3rd-year molars, which are also known as your wisdom teeth, between the ages of 17 and 21. Keep in mind that not everyone has their wisdom teeth, but most people do. Hopefully that was a little helpful. I wanted to make something kind of short, sweet, and simple, kind of getting straight to the point, kind of going over the basics of tooth anatomy or tooth identification. I wish I would have seen a video like this when I first started, just to kind of like help me right out the gate. So comment below if you have any questions or if you'd like to see a video a little bit more in detail. Don't forget to hit that like button and hit that bell so you can see when I post again. Have an amazing day. I'll talk to you guys soon.